Good morning, children. Take out GK. Two books is here. The Unknown uh, and and New General Knowledge Update. Okay. First, take out the Unknown. Okay. Children, everyone, take out school homework copy. Chapter 6. Take out My Country. I write here chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6, My Country. Okay, first I everyone follow me. Page 9. India is my country, I am and dash. Okay, you see, India is the dash largest country in the world. India is also called known as dash and Hindustan. India became independent from British rule on 15th 1947. Dash is the capital of India. So you will follow me. India is my country. I am an Indian. I write here INDIAN, Indian. Any problem, children? Helping hand is here. Okay, okay. Helping hand is here, so help you. Next, India is the seventh largest country in the world. So write here 7. SEVENTH, seventh largest country in the world. Next, India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. Bharat, BH, right here H, ARAT, Bharat and Hindustan. Next, India became independent from British rule on 15th August, August 1947. Okay. Next, New, NEW, New Delhi, DELHI, Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, so repeat again. India is my country, I am an Indian. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. India became independent from British rule on 15th August 1947. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, chapter 6 finished. My country. Next chapter 7, national symbols. See, first one, Tiranga is our national flag. Okay, next, Ashok Chakra is our national emblem. Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem. Next, Bande Mataram is our national song. Next, India rupee is our national currency. Okay, everyone follow me. I write here Triranga, TIRANGA, Tiranga is our national flag. Next, Ashok Chakra, Ashoka, Asoka, Ashoka Chakra, Chakra, Asoka Chakra is our national emblem. Jana Gana Mana, Jana, Mana, Mana is our national anthem. Next, Bande Mataram. Right here, BANDE. Bande Mataram. MATARAM. Bande Mataram is our national song. Okay. Next, Indian. Indian. Indian rupee. Rupee is our national currency. Okay. Next page 11. See here, lotus is our national flower. Mango is our national fruit. Tiger is our national animal. Peacock is our national bird. Next, banyan is our national tree. Next, Ganga is our national river. So right here, lotus. Right here, lotus. L-O. Okay, L-O-T-U-S. Lotus is our national flower. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango is our national fruit. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger is our national animal. Okay. Next, I write here. Okay. Tiger. Next, B. Banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan is our national tree. Okay, national tree. Next, Ganga. G-A-N-G-A. Ganga is our national river. Okay, I hope everyone understood chapter 6 and 7 also. Now children, homework you write, diary you take out. I write here homework. Chapter 6, 7, page 9, 10, 11. Okay. Again repeat again the knowledge GK book homework chapter 6, 7, page 9, 10, 11. I hope everyone understood. So practice this book. Next book, new general knowledge update, take out. Chapter 11, selecting healthy food, page 50. Some food may be tasty but not good for health. Such food are called junk food. We should avoid eating them. Junk food. Okay. Help Nitika to select a healthy menu. Look at each picture and write the name of the food item. Tick right the healthy food. Children, tick right for healthy food and cross the for junk food. You may use the help box. See, help box is here. Salad, burger, patties, biryani, pizza, dal roti, idli sambar, fruits, cheesecake. First one, everyone, one. This is pizza. Is junk food. Okay, so you cross. You write here pizza. Number one. Okay, I write here. Number one, pizza. Pizza. This is junk food. Okay. Number two, idli sambar. Idli sambar. Say SAMBHAR sambar. It's healthy food. Okay, so tick right. Okay. Three salad. Salad is healthy food. 4 biryani. Biryani is junk food. 5, see picture. Burger. BURGAR. Burger is also junk food. 6, dal roti. Dal roti is healthy food. Okay, it's healthy food. So you tick right. 7. See, this is cheesecake. This is also for junk food. Okay. 8, fruits, healthy. Okay, so tick right. And 9, number 9, see, patties. Patties also junk food. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this page. Next page. Next page, fun riddles. Okay. Fun riddles. Solve the riddles. Solve the riddles with the with the help of given pictures. Draw lines to match the correct answer. First one, see, number 1. What has a neck but no head? Okay. Number 1, I write here just number 1, not write here question. Just write answer here. Okay. Number 1 answer. 1 question. Answer is what has a neck but no head? So answer is water bottle. WATER, water bottle. Next to what has a face and 2 hands, but no arms or legs. Okay. So this is clock. See picture here, clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. 3. What gets water as it dries? This is towel. Okay, answer is towel. Towel. 4. What has to be broken before using it? Egg. Right here, egg. Okay. Egg. Question 4, egg. Answer is 4, egg. 5. Who has one eye but cannot see? Yes, question 5, needle. N-E-E-D-L-E. Not clear. 6. Which animal is best at cricket? Yes, bat. B-A-T, bat. 7. Which bow can't be tired? Okay, rainbow. Right here, rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Question 8. What goes up when the rain comes down? Yes, umbrella. So I hope that if you understood. Now your homework, write here, diary. Write diary. Take out the diary, children. Homework, chapter 11, 12, page 15 and 16. Okay. I hope everyone understood. So children, practice nicely. Okay. Bye bye.